Hey everybody, I'm here today with a Honda CR-V garage opener tutorial. I'll be going over and showing you how to set it up. These buttons right here are part of the Homelink system, which is basically the way that you open and close your garage door using your Honda CR-V. To set it up is really easy. All that you need is your garage door remote clicker and you need the buttons on your CR-V. You first want to choose which button you want to program. And I'm going to choose number 3 because this isn't my garage. This is my mother-in-law and father-in-law's garage. So I'll program it over here to number 3 in case we ever need to use it to open the garage. And you need the remote clicker right over here. So all that you got to do is essentially hold down the opener button on the clicker and then hold down the one that you want to program on the CR-V and hold them down together. Basically, you're gonna hold them down together until the LED flashes. Then it's programmed, and then you're gonna test it out. And I'll tell you what to do if it doesn't work in a moment. First, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna hold both of these down together, just like that, and we wait till it flashes like that. That's it, it's programmed. So now it's opening because I hit the clicker over here. But once it finishes opening, we're gonna test it out to see if it works. So you can see I'm gonna place the clicker over there. Obviously, there's no magic here, no trickery. We're gonna press this down for about a second like that, and you'll see that the garage door is closing. So we've programmed it like that. Now, there is an alternative method. If that doesn't work, then your garage door opener might have a rolling code, in which you have to get out a ladder. You have to go in the garage to the actual opener, and you have to press the button on the opener that allows it to learn a new remote clicker, and then you have to obviously come and program it to this. So you'd have to go in the garage and use the learn button on your actual garage mechanism in there using a ladder, and then you come outside of your garage and then you're gonna press and hold this to program it with the garage. And you have to do it within a certain time frame. It depends on the garage, but most garages will give you like 30 seconds to get it done. So just be ready, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.